Hi everyone, I'm back home in England for the winter holiday and I'll be going back to China in a couple of weeks to continue my university teaching job. But right now I'm going to take my boat out onto the local river in Guildford, England, so thought I'd take you along. Alright, let's do this. So the river is a couple of kilometres away and I need to actually take it down to the river by pulling it with these dolly wheels under the boat. I pull it along with the front rope, just like I'm running a very, very big dog along the pavement. Okay, here she is, all set up and ready. Yeah, and this is an old ammunition box, which makes good storage on the boat. So, yeah, let's go.
Love you like a rat, shoot you like a respect you like a fumes. Love you like a rat, shoot you like a respect you like a fumes. Love you like a rat, shoot you like a respect you like a love you like a rat, shoot you like a respect you like a fumes. Love you like a rat, shoot you like a respect you like a fumes. Love you like a rat, shoot you like a respect you like a fumes. Love you like a rat.
Okay, so I've reached the lock. Normally I can lift my boat out and go over the lock and continue the other side, but it's getting dark now and it's very cold, so I think I'll call that a day and head back home. It'll be very quick on the way home because the river is flowing the direction to home, so it's going to be a nice ride back. Hope you enjoyed that and see you next time.